Have you ever wondered why millions of people eat potatoes today? But thousands of years ago, no one knew if this strange plant hidden beneath the ground could save lives or end them. Long before cities, long before kingdoms, high in the freezing Andes Mountains of South America, ancient people struggled every single day just to find enough food. The land was cold, the air was thin, growing crops was incredibly difficult. Many families survived only by hunting wild animals and collecting whatever plants nature offered. But hunger was always waiting. Then one day, they noticed something unusual. A small green plant growing between the rocks, hidden beneath the soil, were strange underground tubers. These were the ancestors of today's potatoes. But there was one terrifying problem. Many wild potatoes were naturally poisonous. Eating the wrong one could make people very sick or even kill them. Imagine standing there thousands of years ago. Your family is hungry. You have found food, but you don't know if taking one bite will save your life or become your last meal. So, how did they figure it out? The answer wasn't luck, it was patience. Ancient people carefully observed nature. They watched which plants survived the freezing mountains. They noticed which places wild potatoes grew best. Over many generations, they slowly learned which potatoes were safer than others. Some communities also discovered that certain traditional preparation methods could reduce bitterness and make some varieties safer to eat. This knowledge wasn't written in books. Parents taught their children. Grandparents taught their grandchildren. Generation after generation. Slowly, the poisonous plants became less frightening. People began choosing the best potatoes to grow near their homes. Year after year, generation after generation, those better plants produced even better harvests. Without realizing it, they were changing history. The potato slowly became one of the most important foods in the Andes. Unlike many other crops, potatoes could survive freezing nights. They grew high in the mountains, where many plants failed. When food became scarce, potatoes often meant the difference between survival and starvation. Ancient communities even developed ways to preserve potatoes for long periods, helping them survive harsh seasons when fresh food was difficult to find. Centuries passed. Great civilizations, such as the Inca, relied heavily on potatoes. For them, it wasn't just food, it was security. It was survival. Then everything changed. In the 1500s, Spanish explorers arrived in South America. They carried potatoes across the Atlantic Ocean. At first, many Europeans didn't trust this strange underground plant. Some even believed it was dangerous. But over time, people discovered how nutritious, reliable, and easy it was to grow. Eventually, potatoes spread across Europe, then Asia, then the rest of the world. Today, they feed billions of people every year. French fries, chips, mashed potatoes, countless meals all trace their roots back to those ancient mountain communities who slowly learned to understand a mysterious plant hidden beneath the earth. So the next time you see a potato on your plate, remember, it isn't just another vegetable, it's the result of thousands of years of observation, experimentation, and human survival. Sometimes, the greatest discoveries weren't found on mountaintops, they were quietly waiting, hidden beneath our feet.